So let's learn about rational numbers. Rational numbers. So first question arises, what are rational numbers? So I will give you proper definition at the end. First of all, don't think that it is a wrong definition. I will give you a simple definition to make you better understand. If you are able to write a number in P by Q form, that number will be a rational number, right? If you are able to write a number in P by Q form, that number will be a rational number. Now you should get a doubt now. Which number can be written in P by Q form then? So let us think of natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash up to infinity. Any number if you take from this like 3 can be written in P by Q form like this: 3 by 1, 6 by 2, 9 by 3, right? So infinite ways we can write this in P by Q form. So all natural numbers are rational numbers. If you consider whole number, set of whole numbers, just 0 will be extra there in this: 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash. You also know that 0 can be written as 0 by 2 or 0 by any number you can write as, isn't it? So all whole numbers are also rational numbers, isn't it? All whole numbers are rational numbers. After that we get integers. Integers is a set represented by letter Z. It stands for Zahlen actually. So Z is a set of integers. So starts from minus infinity to dash, 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dash, 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 dash up to infinity, right? Are these numbers can be written in P by Q form then? If you take minus 4, can be written minus 8 by 2 or 8 by minus 2 or else minus 4 by 1. Anyway you can write, right? So by this, until now what you have understood, all integers are also rational numbers. What is a rational number? Rational number is just if you are able to write a number in P by Q form, that is a rational number. Simple, that's it. If you consider the numbers in P by Q form, nothing but fractions like 2 by 3, it is already in P by Q form, so they are rational numbers. So all fractions are rational numbers, right? All fractions are rational numbers. All fractions are rational numbers. Now if you take a decimal number like 8.3, can I write 8.3 as 8.3 by 1? I wrote in the form of P by Q now. Can you say I wrote 8.3 as 8.3 by 1, it is in P by Q form and it is a rational number? No. Of course 8.3 is a rational number. You can write 8.3 in P by Q form differently in this way, 83 by 10, right, isn't it? So here we have to remember that this P and Q should be integers, not decimal numbers. We defined how we define rational numbers. If you are able to write a number in P by Q form, the number is a rational number. But we first of all did not define what are those P and Q. Now we are giving some more information that P comma Q must be belongs to, they must be integers, right? So this 83 by 10. So 83 by 10. So 83 is an integer. 10 is also integer. Previously we have taken some examples of integers like minus 4. In minus 4 you can write it as minus 8 by 2. What is minus 2? Minus 2 is an integer, 2 is also integer. So P and Q must be integers. So here also one more thing you have to remember that division by 0 is not defined, isn't it? So nothing but Q cannot be 0. Here we have to add one more point, is that Q is not equal to 0. Q cannot be 0. This is the proper definition of a rational number. What is the rational number? if you are able to write a number in p by q form where p and q must be integers and q not equal to 0, then you can say that the number is a rational number. So now you have understood what is a rational number, and you also know some up to some part that which numbers can be converted into rational numbers. Now the important topic is about decimal numbers. Which decimal numbers can be converted into p by q form? So how many types of decimal numbers you know? I know 3 types of decimal numbers. Those are terminating decimal numbers. One is terminating decimal numbers. I don't write again numbers. Terminating decimal numbers. What are terminating decimal numbers? For example again this 8.3 minus 8.3. Let's take now. It is terminating, right? Isn't it? Terminating ending decimal. So minus 8.3 can be written as minus 83 by 10 or 83 by minus 10 or minus 830 by 100. You can write in any way. So this is also what? All terminating decimals can be converted into p by q form by following these rules also. So all terminating decimal numbers are also rational numbers. Now second one is non-terminating repeating decimals. What are they? Non-terminating repeating decimal numbers. So decimal numbers. Can we convert non-terminating repeating decimal numbers into p by q form? You learnt in 8th class. For example, let's take example. So 8.3 bar means 8.3333333. So it will never end. So that is nothing but non-terminating. It won't terminate, but repeating. The same number is repeating. Not only this example, you can take 16.56 dash 16.56 bar. You can take like this. So these are all what? Non-terminating repeating decimals. Can we convert them into p by q form? I will tell you only for one thing. For 16.56 I will tell you how to convert into p by q form, but all non-terminating repeating decimals can be converted into p by q form. So let us see. So first of all you have to consider the number as x. X is equal to 16.56 dash. You have to consider the number of digits in the repeating part. In the repeating part here there are 2 digits. So you have to multiply it by 100x. If there is 1 digit in repeating part, multiply by 10x. If there are 3 digits, multiply by 1000. So it is 100x. If you multiply, it will become 1656.56 dash. Write down x. So it is 16.56 dash. Subtract now. You will get here 99x, and here you will get here these are zeros. All point here will be here will be point. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 6. Here 1. So now x can be written as 1640 by 99. We converted a non-terminating repeating decimal. All non-terminating repeating decimals can be converted into p by q form, right? All non-terminating repeating decimals can be converted into p by q form. So all these numbers are also rational numbers only, right? Now third type of decimal numbers will be there which won't terminate. Third one is non-terminating non-repeating. They won't terminate, they won't repeat. Not non-terminating, non-repeating decimal numbers. So what about them? For example, 8.346343 56783678532 dash dash dash. So they won't repeat, they won't end. Such numbers cannot be converted into P by Q form. These numbers won't come under, as they cannot be converted into P by Q form. They are not rational numbers. They are not rational numbers. So here ends the story of the rational numbers. These are actually called irrational numbers. So we'll learn about irrational numbers later. So this is here the story of the rational numbers will end. Thank you for listening the class.